Okay, doing a bike check on my 2006 Giant Rain 2. I've got Fox 32s on the front. Kenda Happy Medium tires. They've got kind of a fast center with a pretty good bite on the sides. It is a still mechanical disc brake bike. I've got 780 Bucklos aluminum handlebars on it with meat lock grips. Going back, got a Celatini Italia quit bit seat, which is the most important part of the bike to me. It's been the best seat I've ever owned. I've got a mount on my stem, or my seat post, for a water bottle. There's no place else on this bike really to put it. Come on down to an IXF 1x setup with a oval chain ring. I believe it's a 34 tooth. I've got a 11 to 42 tooth rear cassette on it, and a SRAM X5. All around, seriously, I don't know why people ignore these older bikes. I've had this one a while. The ride's great. You know, I'm a little bit of an older rider, and this thing, I'd never be able to outride it. So anyway, I hope you enjoy my bike check. Thanks, guys.